I see a box of goodies today. I see a box of goodies today. Ooh, the babies! Okay. The baby noodles! Because we henceforth, all baby snakes are known as noodles. That hermit crab's got a cool shell. They all got cool shells. Alright, so apparently we got female cobalt blues.
Yeah, those were specific.
These were specifically labeled as females. And they don't look like much in the normal light, but I'm going to shine a light on them. Man, it's not showing up. But they do glitter. Those front legs, man, they are very blue. You just can't see it.
Ooh. There you go.
Yeah, I can see. You see, I can barely see it, but you can see. Ooh! He anger at you. Alright. Wow. He is mad.
Let's see her.
You can get him to go in. He's getting really pissed.
She's probably not gonna.
It's okay, it's okay. Oh! Ooh. Hi.
There you go.
Yeah. There you go. Now I can see the blue glow on those two legs over there. But yeah, I can see that nice blue glow on all the legs, actually. But yeah, there you go. But she is mad at you. Oh, yeah. She. I call it a he.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's going to give you back that cup. Woo, making me jump. It's okay.
Whoa.
She is.
Yeah, these are
really mad. There we go. There we go.
Now let's see if I can get this.
Alright. These are the chunkiest sandfish I've ever seen in my life. They are chunk. My goodness. They are plump. And then we've got Schneider's skink. These guys are usually pretty friendly. And this one's got tons of nice orange on him.
He's gonna bite me.
He counting the
baby corn.
The corn snakes. Yeah.
This one is like.
He gonna get ya.
1, 2, 3. Does it look like 3 to you?
I mean, do you see 3 faces?
Yeah.
Okay. Then 3 faces. And 3 sneaky snakes.
Ghost corns.
So we got a couple of curly hairs. One is itty bitty, and one is huge. Hi. Look at those little feet. Cute little feet.
Only
got Asian forest scorpions.
These are red eyes.
Oh, little baby pink toe. Oh. Another baby pink toe. Oh, what do we got here? We got, salmon pink bird eater slings. And they're being masters at hiding. That one is. Let's see if these other 2 are hiding or if we can see them. They're hiding. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh, we can't see them. We got Mexican Reddy sling. I'm sure it's itty bitty too. So we got, look, 3 of those. But you can't see them because they're so small. You have to see them when they come out. So these hermit crabs, they have pretty awesome shells.
Yeah, I mean they're normal to me. Normal looking shell.
I think it was a different cup of them.
And yeah, it's got all the...
Here, this is the one I was... They got the ribbed shells, or whatever, the pointy shells. You see what I mean, though? Their shells, some of their shells are pretty cool.
Oh, these ones? We got plenty of those, too.
Oh,
look.
Okay, I'm just dumb.
Yeah. No, you're not dumb. You don't know what we have, I guess. I see they're everywhere.
Ooh, I like the one with the pointy spiral shell. That's cool. You getting all excited? Whoa, he's trying to get up. There he goes. That's cool. This one's going to the races. Look at him go. Ooh, that one too. Oh, the Sandfish. That is a cute little bowl. Look at that shovel nose.
I'm just like, I like the scales on the hands. Look at, they give them like little paddles. How flat those fingers are. How thick. They're not even thick. They're actually pretty thin.
Oh yeah, I see that.
But
I love that shovel snoot though. It's like it looks like a duck face, a permanent duck face on that.
ain't no Instagram influencer though. For sure, one female and one male. This one I'm not. I think this one might be a male too.
Oh, that face. Love it. I'm waiting for the diggy dig. There he goes.
It's the female.
Where's my little duck faces? Oh, Schneider's.
Got one big bowl.
Oh my goodness, bud.
A little on the thin side, but
Oh, we'll fatten you up. Oh, such a cutie.
blah, blah,
Blip, blip.
blah, blah, blah.
Blip, 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 blip. Cutie. Cutie patootie. Oh, we are selling them as ghosts. I thought they
Well,
were.
of course they're ghosts.
Well, I thought they were type of Anery or something.
It is a type of Anery.
Okay, I'm just.
I don't know morphs.
I'm just dumb. I don't know. Gotta love them noodles. They are all noodles.
You're a noodle.
Look at that sweet face. Oh, he's got a little heart on his head. Gotta love them and their little hearts.